Growing Vegetable Soup, written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Growing Vegetable Soup, written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert. Dedicated to my fellow gardeners Gladys, Harry, John, and Jan. Copyright 1987. This book's been around a long time. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to do our work, and our tools are ready too. Rake, shovel, hoe. We are planting the seeds. Seed package. Soil. Coal. Green bean seed. Pea seed. Corn seed. Zucchini squash seed. And carrot seeds. Look how tiny those seeds are. And all the sprouts. Tomato. Potato eyes. Broccoli. Set onions. Trowel. Pepper. Cabbage. And giving them water. Tomato. Potato, which is under the ground. Green bean. Carrot. Cabbage. Pepper. Zucchini squash. Pea. Onion. Broccoli. Corn. Water. Watering can. See, the gardener wears gardening gloves to keep their hands clean and safe. And waiting for the warm sun to make them grow. Zucchini squash, onion, pepper, potato, pea, tomato, cabbage, carrot, corn, weed, green bean, broccoli. And grow. Look how big everything's getting. Zucchini squash is getting really big. Tomatoes got flowers and little baby tomatoes on it. Green beans. Pea. Oh, look, the weeds getting bigger too. There's the corn. That gets really tall. And grow into plants. Here's a squash blossom. I have some of those. A squash bud. Soil. Pea. Stake. Net. Some of these vegetables grow with little vines and they grow up. Oh, soil. We watch over them and weed. Broccoli. There's a lot of worms that like broccoli. That's kind of a thing. Hand grubber. Green bean. That's the sign. Here's your beans. Look how big they're getting. Until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. Or dig up. Here's the carrots. They grow underground. Potatoes grow underground. These are underground vegetables. This is a spading fork. And carry home. Then we wash them. Cabbage, onions, pail. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. Soup pot, soup ladle, knife, broccoli, green bean, cabbage, pepper, peas, tomato, zucchini squash, onion, corn, carrot. Yum. And we cook them into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. And then in the back of this book, it says how to make vegetable soup. And it even has a recipe for you. Have you ever grown vegetables? I have. It's a lot of fun. Growing Vegetable Soup. Written and illustrated by Lois Ehlert.